I just feel like this is the course where you can really learn the practical skills of actually setting up a business. So I really like doing things for real, and I think that's a big thing for Falmouth University.
From what I've learned from this course, it's going to be able to help aid me in learning how to set up a business, but also how to market myself as a business and be more successful. But my parents now live in America. I wanted to come to Cornwall because I like to surf and I like beaches, and there's only a couple of universities which have business entrepreneurship. You're straight out of university after 2 years rather than 3.
So we have an extra term during summer, and it's really exciting because there's so much going on in Falmouth. You're not just learning it academically, you're learning it through actually doing it, and I think it's a really good way to learn.
I want to set up my own barbershop. With this course, it's really going to be able to help me in knowing how to set up a business and also how to market myself to be more successful.
I thought it'd be a great opportunity to go to Falmouth as well as set up my business at the same time. So I opened up Harry's Toy Chest on the high streets of Truro, and it's been really successful so far. I've enjoyed every minute of it. I just enjoy every day going to work.
Sometimes we get real businesses come in to talk to us, and they'll bring in a business challenge, and we'll go off and research how we can help their business.
Definitely, yeah, I'd say every week is pretty much different. I mean, obviously we've got to do all the work at the end of the day. But apart from that, they always make it really fun and enjoyable.
Some students have set up a company called Galos, and in Galos, it's an actual business where they do digital marketing for companies.
So recently we went on a trip to the Eden Project. We all pitched our ideas on how to reduce food waste in a business practical way, and they really listened, and I think they're implementing some of our actual ideas.
Launchpad is great. There's always rooms you can book to work.
We get to link with the Launchpad a little bit, see what they're doing and how they're setting up their businesses.
There's always people here that are willing to help me, like I said, the lecturers. So
I find the tutors so inspiring because they've all come from so many different places. So you know that you've got contacts from everywhere, and they always put you in contact with the right people for the job.
Just always go to a tutor because they'll be able to help out. It's a really friendly place.
You know that you can go to the tutor with any problems or any advice that you need for your own projects, and you know that they'll actually take the time to listen.
Always helping you. They're always sort of around, so you can ask them questions.
I really like the size of our classes because they're nice and small, so it means you get that one-on-one time with the tutors.
The campus is really nice. You've got good facilities.
Just a really enjoyable place. So.
Yeah, it's been great. It's going too quick though, so if you do come, make the most of it because it will fly by. You'll have a good time if you come here, for sure.
I think if you want to run your own business and you're not sure how to do it, it's the perfect start. There wasn't any other university for me really, but yeah.